Alright, so here we have two fractions. They have different denominators, so we got to find the lowest common denominator. So how are we going to do it? We're going to list the first denominator and its factors. So it's x plus 1, so its factor is x plus 1. The second denominator is x minus 1, so its factor is also x minus 1. So now we want to ask ourselves, what is missing from this set of factors that are here in this second set of factors? And so what's missing is the x minus 1. Then we're going to ask ourselves what's missing in the second set of factors that's present in the first set of factors, and that's x plus 1. So what we need to do is multiply this denominator here by x minus 1. We need to multiply this denominator here by x plus 1, right? And we'll have common denominators. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll say 1 over x plus 1. Oh, I did that a little bit off. And I'm going to multiply that by my x minus 1. But I can't multiply by just x minus 1. It has to be x minus 1 over x minus 1. And then I'm going to add my 1 over x minus 1, and I'm going to multiply that one by x plus 1 over x plus 1. Right. So what do we get? Well, let's go ahead and multiply it out. 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1 over x plus 1 times x minus 1, like so. And then we'll have a plus. 1 times x plus 1 is x plus 1 over x minus 1 times x plus 1, like so. So now we can go ahead, now that we have the same denominators, we can add the numerators. So we'll have x minus 1 plus x plus 1 over x plus 1 times x minus 1. We'll combine like terms and simplify. So we'll get is equal to 2x, just 2x because the 1's cancel out, over x plus 1 times x minus 1. We don't have any common factors, right? So that's our answer there. It's going to be 2x over x plus 1 times x minus 1. Alright, let's do one last one for the video. So here we got to list our factors. So the first factor is 7x minus 4, denominator, and its factor is 7x minus 4. Our second denominator is 4x plus 3, and its factor is 4x plus 3. So now what's missing from this set of factors that's present here in this bottom set of factors? It's 4x plus 3. And what's missing from this bottom set of factors that's present in this set of factors on the top there? It's 7x minus 4. So I need to multiply this denominator by that factor. I need to multiply this denominator by that factor to get the same denominator. Alright, so let's come back to our original problem and get them to have the same denominator. It's going to be 3x plus 10 over 7x minus 4. And I need to multiply that by 4x plus 3 over 4x plus 3. I'm going to subtract that from x over 4x plus 3 times, and what I multiply by, it's 7x minus 4 over 7x minus 4. Okie dokie. So now that we have the same denominators, right, we can go ahead and add the numerators. But let's go ahead and simplify first. Let's do the multiplication. Yeah, so I'm going to do it way over here. So we're going to get 3x plus 10 times 4x plus 3 over 7x minus 4 times 4x plus 3 minus x times 7x minus 4 over 7x minus 4 times 4x plus 3. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and multiply out that numerator and that numerator there. So I'll get, or FOIL it out. So I get 12x squared plus 9x plus 40x plus 30 minus 7x squared minus 4x over 7x minus 4 times 4x plus 3. Oh my goodness, this is a lengthy problem. So I'm going to say it's equal to, and I'm going to combine my like terms in my first numerator. So it's 12x squared plus 49x plus 30 minus, and that minus sign distributes out, so I get minus 7x squared plus, right, minus and a minus make a plus 4x all over 7x minus 4 times 4x plus 3. So now we'll combine our like terms, and so we have these two guys here, so that becomes 5x squared. And then we have these two are like terms, so we'll get 53x, and then we'll have the 30 over 7x minus 4 times 4x plus 3. So it doesn't look like there's any common factors. Although we could try to factor out this numerator. Let me go ahead and do that really fast and see if we have any common factors. But it doesn't look like it. Yeah, so they're going to have to add up to 150. No, multiply 150 and add up to 53. And so 150 and 53, so it's 1 times 150, no. 3 times 50, that doesn't do it. Oh, it does do it, right? So we got 3 times 50. So it's 3 and 50. But remember, we have a 5 here in our numerator, right? A 5, so we have to put a 5x in our, when we're factoring. And then this fraction here can simplify to x over 10. So we do have two factors. We have 5x over 3, 5x plus 3, and x plus 10. But those don't match up with any of the factors in the denominator. Do you see that? This is 7x minus 4. This one's 4x plus 3. But anyhow, let's go ahead and write it factored out just to show that we checked. So it's going to be 5x plus 3, and then x plus 10 over 7x minus 4 times 4x plus 3, like so. So that is our final answer. So let's put it up here. 5x plus 3 times x plus 10 over 7x minus 4 times 4x plus 3. And we're done.